So this is another praying mantis stance exercise. Breathe in. Bring your hands up, and then you're interlocking your fingers behind your head. And then breathe out. Straighten your arms. And then breathing in through the nose. Bring the hands to the back of the head again. And then we breathe out. And then circle the hands round, back onto the legs again. Breathe in through the nose, and then out through the mouth. In, and then out. Now for the extension, we're going to do much the same thing, but make sure you keep the shoulders and the elbows back. And then this time, you're turning the palms up instead of palms down. Okay, so here we go. Natural breathing, and then feeling for the muscle changes. Don't hold the extreme position, remember. So bringing your hands round onto the back of your head, interlock your fingers, and then push up. Keep your elbows and shoulders back. Turn the palms up. Push up, and then back to the start position. Once again, turning the palms upward